Right, so this will go. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I kind of want your help with my new camera setup. So those of you who watch regularly know I normally have a 3-camera setup. So this camera the view that you got now, yeah, and then we have a camera facing outside, and the final one is the foot pedal view. But I've got, as you can see, extra cameras now, yeah. So there's 2 extra cameras, so it's going to be a 5-camera setup. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed in the last couple of videos I've kind of tested some different well, where to place the different views, but today's video is all about showing you exactly where I'm going to place each camera and then getting your lot's opinion. So I'll be going through all the comments, and the final setup will be according to what you guys want, because obviously you guys are the viewers, and this channel is running all because of you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So obviously this is a main inside camera, and then let's put the outside camera on first, which goes in the center just here. So that'll go there and will be placed just about there, yeah. So I'm going to bring this inside camera view to the center now, yeah, where I think it looks pretty good. And the next camera, let's put on the foot camera. So the foot camera, which you guys have seen before, goes in just here and is set just like that. So this is gonna go towards the bottom right. It can be switched to the bottom left, yeah, so let me know what you guys think. The other one that's gonna go alongside, so if this one goes to the bottom left, this new camera will go here and will cover the view of the rev counter and the speedometer. So just like that there. So this camera and the foot camera, they'll be on either side. I don't think it matters too much which side they're on, but yeah, again, we'll see what you guys think in the comments. And then the final camera is this one. I think this is the one that everyone's been asking for the most, yeah. So this is going to go on the outside of the car, and it's going to be a rear view camera, yeah. So let me take the mic with me and place it on the back. That was good observations there, yeah, with the pedestrian. Cheers, guys. Right, so this will go right. Let's fix it in properly. Let's fix it in, and let's see what the view is like. It's got to be a little bit higher. So just there, looks pretty good there. Right, so what do you think of this setup, guys? Should we go for a quick drive and see how it appears when we're driving as well? Obviously mainly the back view, yeah. So let's go for a quick drive. And there's one other thing. That I want your help with. So you know, on the mock test, I normally obviously add the text to whenever somebody makes a fault, and I want to change that up a bit now, yeah. So you'll see some options on the screen in a bit whilst I'm driving. So we're going to go with a couple of options which I like, and you guys tell me which option you think is the best. Okay then, guys, so this is the first option with the text. So I can place it like this. What do you guys reckon of this? If you guys like this like this option, then comment with option A, and then the next one is this one. So I could either place it here, and if you like this one, just comment with option B. And any other suggestions that you guys have, just please let me know in the comments. But I think this new setup looks kind of cool. Obviously I needed it, I really wanted to just make a few more changes, freshen it up a little, and obviously the mock test format will stay the same. But let me know your thoughts, guys, and looking forward to the comments. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.